In this tutorial, we are going to be looking at how to alphabetize data in Google Sheets. There's a couple of ways that I'm going to be showing here. So the first one is by just sorting it A to Z. So what we have to do is select the range or the column by which we want to alphabetize. So in this case, I want to alphabetize by column A, so I can click anywhere, any cell in column A. Then I'm going to point my cursor to data. And I have the option to sort the sheet by column A to Z, or again, column A, Z to A. So I want A to Z, I'm going to click on this, but there's going to be an issue. You see now what's going to happen. So the problem is I have a row for the title, and the spreadsheet has alphabetized the data for me, but it also has alphabetized the title. So I'm going to undo. And what I can do here, I can, or as a workaround, I can point my data to view, and I can view, freeze, and I'm going to freeze one row. So that's going to freeze the first row in the spreadsheet. If you want to learn more about how to freeze rows and columns, I have a tutorial specific for that I'm going to link below in the comments box. For now, all I'm going to show you about freezing is this. So what it means by freezing the first row is that now it's always going to be in there, it's not going to move. You see, as I scroll down or up, the first row is frozen. So having frozen my row, again I click anywhere in column A, point my cursor to data, and I'll sort sheet A to Z. And there you go. Now I have the data alphabetized and the title has remained where it's supposed to be. Alright, second way that I can use to do the same is just by using a filter. So let me undo. And what we're going to do here is again click anywhere, and to add the filter I can click really anywhere on the data. And to add the filter I have two options. I can come to data and create filter. So you see that the filter is applied to the first row. And then if I click on the filter and if I want to alphabetize by fruit, I just sort A to Z. And that's another way. Let me just remove the filter and I'll show you easier way to get to the filter. And you can see here in the quick link menu, there is a quick option to create a filter. So if you just click on it, it creates the filter from there. And then again, you can come and you can alphabetize here A to Z or Z to A.